Central Daylight Time. It means 55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from Speedville to near Combine to near Alma, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 65 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Mesquite, Ennis, Carroll, Seagoville, Townsend, Kenton, Wills Point, Maybe, Crandall, Combine, Talty, Edgewood, Camp, Grays Prairie, Cottonwood, Curtis Creek State Park, New Carroll City Lake, Cedar Creek Reservoir, Myrtle Springs, and Elmo. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 485 and 527. For your protection, get inside of